Gonna go for sure.
I'm so excited.
Let's go.
I'm so excited. I haven't gone on like a big length longboard in so long.
No way. can't see us, but we're
okay.
we're on the camera.
Good.
How was your first town session?
It was good. I caught 17 waves.
Damn.
Yeah, an hour and a half.
Hour and a half.
Way better than the North Shore.
Not too bad. How do you
Yeah.
feel about the South Shore?
It's good. I mean, I haven't used like a board that's like bigger than a 6.0 in a while, so it's kind of hard getting used to it.
Yeah.
But I think it's super different vibe. Everyone's super friendly, more mellow. Party
Way more
waves,
mellow.
way more mellow. Less
Deep
intense.
party waves.
Lots of party waves. A lot of party waves. Woohoo.
Not by choice.
That is true. Some are not by choice, but some are. I mean, we didn't. Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Okay,
But yeah,
cool.
good experience so far. And the sunset was absolutely gorgeous. Like,
Yeah.
the sun reminded me of the moon. And it looked like there was like
Sunrise.
birds on it or something. It was so sick.
Oh wait! Oh, step on that. Ew! What the heck?
Yeah, and my nose is so full of water now because I'm like, ew. Because I can't duck dive. And so,
Oh.
yeah, I was like, oh, what do I do again? I forgot how to act sometimes
Yeah.
on the board. And then my nose is like full of water now
happens.
because I was getting sprayed in the face. Usually that doesn't happen, but overall
Sweet.
good.
Alright, well, time for dinner.
Yes!
Yes!